LAES stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Sealsq stock is a buy or not for me, so watch till the end. Overall, I'm seeing like a bigger correction, in which case, obviously, all I'm looking to do is just buy. Now, before I get into it, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've carved out thousands of quick predictions, and all this is documented on my YouTube channel. Looking at LAES, it all began here. Like, that's why I freaking have this proof, because I gotta show it, man. Like, 19th of December, when I began being bullish from 216 to like 360-ish, and I kind of delivered. And then now we're here. Since I saw the first break, all I'm really looking to do is just still buy, but not immediately. Not immediately purely because like the double break that I wanted to see was like not the best, just kind of gapped up. So let's hope it's just having another lower double break here. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, you can just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.